Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Today, we are going to look at Cat5 and Cat6 cables. Whether you're using a Cat5 or a Cat6 cable, you'll find many differences between the two. A Cat5 cable is used for computer networks. They provide a high-speed connection and can handle up to 100 MHz. Cat6 cables are faster than the older Cat5 cables, and is backwards compatible with the older specifications. Generally, Cat5 cables are used for home applications, whereas Cat6 cables are used for business applications. While both cables are effective for general-purpose networks, Cat6 is more appropriate for multitasking and video streaming. A Cat6 cable is more flexible and can be plugged into any connection. They have higher bandwidth and is more flexible than their predecessor. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.